Welcome back, artists. I'm Wyatt Paints. It's January 2026, and this is going to be the first channel vlog of the year. There have been ups and downs, but we're still vertical. 2025 had its definite wins and losses, and while I'm not really big on New Year's resolutions, I do value a yearly audit. If I'm going to build this channel into what I truly believe it can be, it's going to take honest reflection on what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. So stats wise, it's been a great year. I've crossed over 2,000 subs and added another 20,000 views for my Metastats. Where I've struggled is watch time. Currently I'm sitting at about 2,200 hours, which is roughly half of what I need. While it doesn't always come down to money, getting monetized is one step closer to making this channel being able to pay for itself instead of just costing me money. So basically what this information is telling me is that I need to convince each and every one of my subscribers to watch just about 2 hours of my content in a year, and I'll be golden. So in order to address that, I figure my best bet is to put out more content at a higher quality. Last year, I published 28 videos, roughly one every 2 weeks. If I can get that number up to 30, 35 videos, not only am I going to naturally increase my watch time, but it's still going to leave me plenty of time to invest behind the scenes, improving my camera setups and editing, which to me sounds like a solid plan. And circling back to the money, revenue for the channel has increased this year. Not only was I able to sell a few more pieces than I normally do, hopefully turning them into long-term clients, but I've also made a new contact with Golden Garbage Studios. They're a fellow commission painting group that focuses on 1/4 scale and 6 scale statues. And recently they've decided to dip their toes into sculpting and will be collaborating with me on their first release of Sabretooth. If all goes well, I might just have a third sponsored post each month. And when it comes to Patreon, the channel's had a great year with the biggest growth yet. The list for free members and paying subscribers have never been longer. I'm truly grateful for the support I've gotten from all of you. All of those contributions got saved up throughout the year. I not only got an upgrade on the video camera that I'm using, but I also was able to get a new paint set. So I'm truly grateful. Plus, the ever-growing list of free members reminds me every week that this channel doesn't just matter to me, it matters to a whole lot of you. Thank you. I really can't thank you enough. And not to single them out too much, but I want to give a very special thank you and shout out to the Macho. He's been my longest and most generous supporter all the way back from my Twitch days. In fact, he even sent me a whole box of ramen off my Amazon wish list. I guess lunch is on you for the next month. Thanks, brother. And again, thank you to all of you, whether you're a paid member, free member, or you just stumbled on this video and this is the first video from my channel you found on YouTube. Thank you for your support and giving your time to watch. I hope you found the videos informative, entertaining, and worthwhile. Now, while I did say I'm not big on New Year's promises, I do have some personal self-improvement I'm going to be working on this year. First, I've always struggled with my weight, and just before I turned 30, I was told by my doctor I was tipping the scales at 375. That's a lot. 375 is a lot. Thankfully, after changing a few things and adopting some better habits, I was able to knock it down to 275. But I never quite hit my goal of 250. But this year, I felt my progress creeping backwards as I stepped onto the scale and saw a 325 staring back at me. Which sucks. But I know what it takes to change things, and I'm gonna be on it. So, while you should see more of me this year, hopefully there'll be less of me to see each time. Until I start an OnlyFans, then I really make some money. On a sadder personal side, I have noticed my hairline calling in an early retreat. Now, I've always had a funky hairline, but in the last year or two, it's been super obvious to me, hence why I've showed off my collection of colorful beanies. So, for the first time in my life, I'm gonna try to grow a beard. And not just this magic curtain that's hiding the double action chin I'm rocking. I'm talking a full majestic beard. I want it to look like I wake up and murder trees for breakfast. Hopefully, you'll be able to track my progress across videos until I succeed. Or I give up looking awkward and just shave it off in failure. Place your bets. Finally, I'd like to put the spotlight on a couple of internet artists that have reached out over the year. First up is Phobia Creations over on Instagram. They're printing and cranking out some awesome statues. Wasteland Batman, Riddler, and this very nice Patriot diorama. Honestly, truly top marks. You should check them out. And for the second mention in this video, I'm going to bring up Golden Garbage Studios. They regularly post final shots of their commission, and dude, this is good. This is really good. They know exactly what they're doing, and they're doing it supremely well. Every time I see a picture from them in my feed, I know I'm in for a treat. Just don't be like me and make their work a benchmark for your own. It's a really long shadow to stand in. Seriously, really good work. Really good work. Now, I did have a bunch more photos to show you that I saved up over the year, but due to the hacking incident I had a few months ago, they've all been lost to the electronic gods. If I find and get access to them again, I will post them. That said, I want to wrap up the first video of the year with positive vibes for the one that follows and my usual send-off. Thank you for watching, stay creative, and always try to enjoy the process.